You're gonna love the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, tires performance, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.